Welcome to Piper Creates Chaos. As an obsessed oil pastel artist, I thought it was finally time to share tutorials outside of just color theory. So today, we'll be drawing a beautiful galaxy. If you want the full, in-depth, step-by-step tutorial, you can join my Patreon for weekly releases. I've put the materials to the side and also in the description. Now, you don't have to tape down your paper, I just am, but we're only using 9 oil pastels today. But feel free to switch out any colors. Okay, to begin, take your yellow oil pastel and draw a circle in the middle of the page. From that circle, draw 3 swirls coming out from the middle. Now, you want these to be separated pretty evenly and end in different spots. Then, you'll take an orange and create 3 new spirals coming out of the same starting point, but ending in different positions. After that, take your light purple and draw swirled spirals in between each of the yellow and orange swirls, starting from the outside. You'll want to go back in with the yellow and orange and thicken up their swirl lines, especially towards the center. You want it to be a transition from the center circle to the swirls. Go back in using the same lighter purple and start to blend out each of the swirl colors. So color the purple on top of the yellow and on top of the orange at the end of the spirals. When finished with that, take your brighter dark purple and color around the swirl starting near the outside. Then do the same with the light blue. You're going to want the picture to be darker on the outsides and fade into lighter towards the middle. Now it's time to really darken the outside. So you'll want to take your dark purple and your dark blue, and you'll want to color around the outside and into the spirals a little bit, but mostly keeping the outside the darkest area. You can already see that the center is a lot lighter than the outside, so we're going to go in with black and color the outermost corners. Feel free to go back in and color more of the bright purple or the orange. You want most of the paper to be covered by color. Once you're happy with this base, it's time to blend. So you can actually use an oil pastel blender, a Q-tip, or your finger. I like the blender the best, but if you don't have that, you can use either of those. Now make sure that you follow the direction of the swirls when you blend. do not just blend in a circle or a straight line because you want to keep the shape. After the first blend, add back some yellow to make it brighter. Then, take your white and color the center of the circle and where the spirals are attached. The white is going to be used to create a glow, so you're going to want to put that over a lot of the spiral and make sure that's very visible in the circle. Continue adding white along the entire swirl and even to the background in the swirl direction. You can also add light purple to the sides of the swirls if you want. You basically just want a brightness to form. This time, when you blend, try to use your finger following the swirl shape. This way, the white will add the glow but not be blended all the way in. Continue adding layers of white or any other colors until the blending looks how you like. The last step is the stars. Take your white, purples, and black and dot all over the page, leaving the whitemost and yellow areas of the swirl mostly undotted, aside from some white or even some yellow. After you finish, you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Plus, let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and I'll see you next time.